Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. The Manila Cathedral, aside from my years as seminary formator, is my sixth assignment as pastor. I have been to 5 other parishes before coming to the Manila Cathedral. And through the years, I have to admit, I have accumulated things. Books, clothes, other things. I have to admit that I have forgotten to live a simple life. That is why our gospel for today is a reminder for me, especially, to question my values, to question my priorities. Because in the gospel, we heard the Lord giving instruction to the disciples as they were sent 2 by 2. Take nothing for the journey, but a walking stick. No food, no sack, no money in their belts. Depend on God's providence. I am sorry to say I have not practiced that instruction. That is why once in a while, I look in my room and try to ask myself, what are the things in my room that I do not actually need? But for one reason or another, I am a little bit reluctant to let go. That is also my challenge to you, my dear brothers and sisters. When you go home, look in your room, around your room, and ask yourself, what are the things that I keep and yet I do not need? What are the things that I cannot let go, yet not necessary? Today, the Lord is reminding us, live simply. Kaya ako kumisan, wag magtatampo yung mga nagbibigay sa akin. Nagbibigay ng t-shirt, nagbibigay ng polo, nagbibigay ng kung anong-ano, at makikita nilang suot ng ibang tao. Maaaring kamukha lang yon, pero maaaring galing sa akin. Minsan, pag nagbibigay tayo, hinahanap natin yung ibinigay natin. Pero tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, kailangan ko ba ito? Isa lang naman ang katawan ko na susuotan ng damit. Isang pares lang naman ng paa meron ako na lalagyan ng sapatos. Bakit kinakailangan kong maraming gamit? Yan din, mga minamahal kong kapatid, ang tanong sa inyo ng Panginoon. Ang dami-dami mong gamit. Para saan ang mga ito? Baka merong mas pwedeng makagamit nito at mas nangangailangan. Because I think one of the saints once said, the things that we have in our room are the things that are not in others' room. Ano yung mga bagay sa buhay natin na hindi natin kailangan? Ano yung mga bagay sa buhay natin na dapat nating pakawalan? Also, I read somewhere, the Lord is inviting us to live simple life, so that others may simply live. Ano ang bagay na dapat nating ipamigay upang maipakita natin pwede naman palang mabuhay ng simple? Amen.